We are living in a remarkable time, a time where the boundaries of what we thought possible are constantly being pushed. Technology is changing the world around us at an unprecedented pace, revolutionizing every aspect of our lives, including education. One of the most exciting advancements in this digital age is GPT, a groundbreaking innovation that is transforming how we interact with technology. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, a sophisticated AI model that has the ability to understand and generate human-like text. It's a powerful language model that can comprehend context, nuances, and even the subtleties of human language. GPT can understand and generate human-like text, making it an invaluable tool in various fields, especially education. In the realm of education, GPT holds immense potential to revolutionize the way we teach and learn. Imagine a world where teachers have more time to focus on what truly matters, inspiring and guiding students, rather than being bogged down by administrative tasks. GPT can help make this a reality by automating many of the tedious tasks teachers face on a daily basis. It can automate many of the tedious tasks teachers face, such as grading papers and providing feedback. This includes the often dreaded task of grading papers, which can be time-consuming and monotonous. GPT can analyze student writing in ways we never thought possible, providing insights that can help improve student performance. It can identify areas for improvement, suggest revisions, and even generate personalized feedback tailored to each student's needs. This frees up teachers to focus on individual student needs, allowing for a more personalized and effective teaching approach. GPT is not here to replace teachers, but to assist them in their mission to educate and inspire. It's a tool to empower them, giving them the resources they need to provide the best possible education for their students. So how does GPT work its magic on student papers? Let's dive into the process and see how it transforms handwritten work into digital insights. The process is surprisingly simple and user-friendly, making it accessible for teachers of all tech levels. First, the teacher needs to convert the physical paper into a digital format. This step is crucial as it bridges the gap between traditional and modern educational methods. This is where a smartphone or document scanner comes in handy. These tools are essential for capturing clear images of the student's work. The teacher takes a clear picture of the student's paper, ensuring that all text is legible and well lit. This helps in accurate analysis later on. Next, they upload the image to a platform that integrates with GPT technology. This step is seamless and can be done in just a few clicks. Many educational software providers are incorporating GPT into their platforms, making it easier for teachers to access advanced AI tools. Once the image is uploaded, GPT gets to work. The AI begins processing the image, analyzing the text, and understanding the context. It analyzes the text, recognizing handwriting and deciphering the student's message. This step is vital for providing accurate feedback. GPT's ability to understand and process handwritten text is constantly improving. This ensures that the analysis is both accurate and insightful. This ensures that all students' work can benefit from this technology, providing them with valuable feedback and helping them improve their skills. The integration of GPT in education is truly a game changer. Now let's delve into the heart of GPT's capabilities. This powerful tool is revolutionizing the way we approach essay analysis and feedback. How does it actually analyze a student's paper? The process is both intricate and fascinating. GPT breaks down the essay into its core components, examining each part meticulously. It looks at sentence structure, grammar, vocabulary, and organization. Each element is scrutinized to provide comprehensive feedback. It can even assess the student's understanding of the topic, offering insights that go beyond surface-level corrections. GPT doesn't just point out errors, it provides context, helping students grasp the underlying principles. For example, it might highlight a grammatical error, but it goes further. It will also explain why the error occurred, offering a mini lesson within the feedback. It might even suggest alternative ways to phrase the sentence, enhancing the student's writing skills. This level of detailed feedback is invaluable for students. It provides them with the tools they need to improve. It helps them understand their mistakes and learn from them, fostering a deeper comprehension of writing techniques. It moves beyond simple corrections, offering a holistic approach to writing improvement. It empowers students to become better writers, equipping them with the knowledge and confidence to excel in their academic pursuits. Let's face it, grading is time-consuming. Teachers spend countless hours hunched over stacks of papers. This takes away from valuable time they could be spending with their students. GPT offers a lifeline. It can drastically reduce the time teachers spend grading. Imagine, a teacher can upload an entire class's worth of essays. GPT can analyze them in minutes. This frees up the teacher to focus on other important tasks. They can plan engaging lessons, provide individual support to students, or even catch up on some much-needed rest. Time is precious, especially in education. GPT gives teachers the gift of time. This allows them to be more present and effective in the classroom. Section 5. Farewell Grading Bias. GPT as the champion of consistent evaluation. We all strive to be fair and impartial. But as humans, we are prone to biases. This can unconsciously influence our judgment, even when grading. GPT, on the other hand, is completely objective. It evaluates every paper based on the same set of criteria. This ensures that all students are graded fairly. GPT eliminates the potential for human bias. This creates a more equitable learning environment. Students can be confident that their grades reflect their actual performance. Consistency is key in assessment. GPT provides this consistency. It ensures that all students are held to the same high standards. Section 6. Beyond the red pen. GPT's detailed feedback illuminates the path to improvement. Traditional grading often involves red ink and cryptic comments. This can be discouraging for students. GPT takes a different approach. It provides constructive and actionable feedback. Instead of simply marking something as wrong, GPT explains why it's incorrect. It offers suggestions for improvement. GPT tailors its feedback to each student's individual needs. This helps students understand their strengths and weaknesses. It empowers them to take ownership of their learning. GPT's detailed feedback goes beyond simple correction. It guides students towards becoming better writers and thinkers. Section 7. Stress-free grading. GPT eases the burden on educators. Teaching is a rewarding profession, but it can also be incredibly stressful. Grading is a major contributor to teacher burnout. The sheer volume of papers can be overwhelming. GPT offers a way to alleviate this stress. By automating the grading process, GPT frees up teachers' mental energy. They can focus on the more enjoyable aspects of teaching. This leads to a happier and healthier teaching workforce. Reduced stress levels benefit everyone. Teachers are more engaged and enthusiastic. Students thrive in a positive learning environment. Section 9. Staying ahead of the curve, embracing GPT's ever-evolving features. The world of technology is constantly evolving. GPT is no exception. New features and capabilities are constantly being developed. Teachers need to stay informed about these advancements. They should explore professional development opportunities. Attending webinars and conferences can help teachers stay up to date on the latest GPT features. This ensures that they are utilizing this powerful tool to its full potential. By embracing lifelong learning, teachers can harness the transformative power of GPT. Section 10. Open communication. Educating students about GPT-driven feedback. Transparency is crucial. Teachers should communicate openly with their students about GPT. Explain how GPT is being used in the classroom. Emphasize that GPT is a tool to support their learning. Encourage students to view GPT's feedback as an opportunity for growth. Address any concerns or questions students may have. Open communication fosters trust and understanding. It ensures that students are comfortable with the use of GPT in their education. Section 11. GPT, a catalyst for educational transformation. GPT has the potential to revolutionize education. It can free up teachers' time, provide consistent and objective grading, and offer detailed and personalized feedback to students. But GPT is not a magic solution. Teachers need to embrace this technology thoughtfully and strategically. By establishing clear criteria, staying updated on GPT's capabilities, and communicating openly with students, educators can harness the power of GPT to create a more engaging, equitable, and effective learning experience for all.